Howdy folks, this is the Coleman ice chest, and if you've owned ice chests for any number of years, you know the things that go wrong. First are the hinges, the handles, and the plug. Well, if you own Coleman ice chest, you know that the handles cannot be replaced if they break, like this one's broken. So what I'm going to do is install an old Igloo handle right in its place. We're going to drill it through, get us some long stainless bolts, washers, and give her a repair. Here's why I used the hardware I did. First of all, the fender washers on the inside are not to put too much pressure on the plastic instead of a standard washer. The self-locking nuts, they have a nylon insert in them. Instead of using a lock washer. Once again, we're compressing plastic, so we got to be very careful not to overdo it with the locking mechanism. So the locking nut lets me position the nut perfectly. Very simple fix. Got an old Igloo handle, fits right into place. Got a couple of 3-inch stainless screws with lock nuts and washers on that side. Fender washers on that side. And that's it.